I saw Iris, the founder, do this, so I want to do it too. My eyes can't handle that. Hey YouTube fam, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. A big hello and welcome to any new faces also. So today we're going to be testing out some new products from the brand The Quick Flick, and it's their Quick Lash Adhesive Liner, and I also have some of their false lashes. I will admit I cheated and I had a little play with these yesterday just on my bare eyelids because I was super curious, because this, my friend, is not like a normal lash glue. Now, for those who have followed me closely, you already know my love affair with the Quick Flick, but for any newbies, I am obsessed with their Quick Flick wing liner stamps. So this is the very first product that came out in the amazing Quick Flick franchise, and the whole concept of everything that the Quick Flick brings to the table is all about quick, easy, simple, effective application methods when it comes to like your makeup. They have so many cool products. So the Quick Lash Adhesive comes in clear and black, and it will retail for 24 Australian dollars. You can buy it directly off the Quick Flick's website, which I'll have listed in the description box, or they will be stocked in Priceline. I'm not sure if they're already there yet, but if they're not, they will be soon. And they also have an eyelash range as well with 4 different styles of lashes. They have petite, they have modest, and they also have to the point, and they have a grand set as well, I believe it's called. I don't have that particular set, but I've got the first 3. So the lashes retail for $18, I believe, Australian dollars that is. So this is what the adhesive looks like. This is the clear one. Now, as you can see, it has a felt tip applicator. This is designed so you can actually apply it directly onto your lash line instead of onto just your lash band. If you want extra security, I have seen them say that you can pop it on the lash band as well as your lash line, but it is designed to actually go directly onto the skin. Now, this is a latex-free, magnetic-free formulation, but it's not like regular glues. So I'm just getting the facts in front of me. Also, it has 0 dry time, which is so cool. It utilizes an ingredient called styrene. I can't even say the other words, but it functions as a film forming agent to create what is known as a PSA, or a pressure sensitive adhesive. So what that means is when you apply the actual adhesive to your lash line and you go ahead and you push the lashes on gently, it actually forms like a suction technology onto your eyelid. So it's not actually like a normal adhesive. It's like a little pressure sensitive suction thing, and when you put a little bit of pressure on, when you're popping the lashes on, it just goes and it adheres to the eye. It's so cool. So I had a little play yesterday, so I did see it before my eyes, and what the coolest thing is if you pull it off, you can re-stick it. So if you stuff it up, it's so easy to like readjust it and get it in the right spot. I cannot believe how unique this formula is, and that no one else has done this before. The packaging says it's the first of its kind in the world when it comes to lash adhesive, so that's super cool. I think it would actually be great for those of you who have sensitive eyes as well. I personally suffer with a genetic eye disease and do have extreme sensitivities with my eyes. The main triggers are excessive exposure to light, so it's great being in a studio because the studio lights do really hurt my eyes, but I push through to film. And then also fumes, and I find there are a lot of glues that have quite strong fumes that I can physically feel the fumes in my eyes. Do you guys know that sensation? Do you know what I'm talking about? The Duo Lash Glue. I used to use it when I very first started doing my makeup, and it literally makes my eyes water constantly throughout the day, so I can't use it. The only other glues that I've used that haven't bothered my eyes are the Huda Beauty glues, but I'm very excited for this one because I just feel like the actual applicator is going to just make life so much easier. So without further ado, let's actually get into getting these on my face. I'm so excited. I'm going to quickly do my wing liner. I'm using the 10mm Modest Quick Flick. So in your Quick Flick, you actually get 2 of these pens. One end has the felt tip liner and the other end has the wing stamp. Sometimes I start with the stamp, sometimes I start with the lash line. Just depends what mood I'm in. Either way, it works. I'm going to start with a lash line today though. So I just do like a rough little line to start with, then I go in with the actual stamp, and then I'll come back through and probably make my lash line a little bit thicker just to match it up with the actual stamp. It's a good wing day, but it's a good wing day every day with a quick flick, let's be real. Okay, so we have clear and black in the quick lash adhesive. Here's the black. Oh, yeah, that's really black. And then we have the clear, which is obviously clear. So the black is very black, the clear is nice and clear. Now the lashes I'm going to wear today, I'm going to try the modest ones. I just need to measure them on my eyelids first just to make sure they're the right length. I think they might be slightly too big, so I might have to trim them. Most lashes, if you have little eyes, you will have to trim. If you have big eyes, then you don't have to worry about it. But these don't look too bad. Like, they aren't obnoxiously huge like some that I see. So I'm just going to line this up on my eyelid just to sort of assess how big the lash is and how much I may need to trim. So I sort of measure it to like my natural lash. So I'm going to start off by just taking one little section of the lashes off. I like to start off small because if you need to cut more off, you've got more to cut off. But the problem is if you cut too much off, then you've got nothing to cut off. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the clear on my lash line, but the black on the actual lashes, and we'll just see how it goes. It is lifting up a bit of my liner though. Oh yeah, it lifted up a little bit of my liner, so maybe that's not gonna work. We'll do black. Hoping you can actually see what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to take my little lash. It's gonna be so hard to show you guys because I don't often put lashes on camera like this. They're on. I think this style of lash is too short for me personally. So what I'm going to do is actually get the lashes that I wear all the time, and I'm going to try it with them instead. But the actual lashes, like, they're on. Okay, so I'm just going to take these quick flick ones off. Like so. Most people have their favorite lash brands that they purchase religiously. If you're someone who already has a style of lash that you love, like I pretty much exclusively wear this style of lash because it just flatters my eye so much and it always looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the black adhesive and just patch up where it came off. And there's no drying time with this lash glue as well, which means you can literally put it on and put your lashes straight on. She's on. Now for the other eye. I really like the applicator of this. Like, it's so nice and fine. It just really gets in there. You can definitely use the end of your tweezers to just pat it down to make sure she's definitely locked and loaded. Okay, both are on. Should we do like a little hairdryer test before I go putting my mascara on? Let me get a hairdryer. I saw Iris, the founder, do this, so I want to do it too. I've got my hairdryer. We'll start off on one. It's taking my breath away. Oh, it's making my eyes water. Still attached? Yep. Let's try the highest setting. Oh. My eyes can't handle that. Oh my God, they just went so red. But you got the gist of it. They're still on? Yep. They're still on. Oh, that actually hurt my eyeballs, so don't do that. Don't do that unless it's necessary. Yep, still attached. I don't want to pull too hard just in case, you know, but they're still attached after that. So moral of that story is if you're outside and you get a gush of wind, your lashes aren't going to fall off. Let me get some eye drops to help my eyeballs now because that just like dried my eyeballs. So now I just need to do my lipstick and my mascara. And I finished my makeup then. All right, guys, I finished my makeup and I'd be lying if I said I wasn't feeling myself. I've been having like an ugly day for 2 weeks straight, honestly. It's just been a bit of a wild ride. It's amazing how makeup can just lift your confidence through the roof. It's exactly why I love makeup. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. Let's go back to focusing on what this actual video is about, and that is the quick lash adhesive. Oh my gosh, like I went into this with high expectations and they definitely ticked all the boxes for me. So my advice to you, if you're looking at trying these out, if you are someone who likes to wear black liner, whether it be wing or just liner in general along your lash line, grab the black one just so you avoid having the clear one pull up any of your liner like you saw it did with me. So yeah, definitely go with the black if you're someone who likes to wear black liner already. If you're someone who doesn't like to wear any liner, or if you're someone who likes to wear lashes without eyeshadow, then I would definitely recommend the clear. They are exact same formulation, they just are in black and in clear. So there's no discrepancies from what I could tell based on the different colors. Sometimes when you get products that are different colors but meant to be the same formula, they can slightly differ in consistency, but these are literally exactly the same, just black and clear. So when it comes to the actual lashes, now as you guys saw, I did put them on, but they weren't quite long enough for me, so I took them off. It's just because of the wing liner. So if I was having like a really simple like bronzer through my crease day with no liner, then these would be perfect. It's just because I have like a thicker wing, I felt like they weren't quite long enough with this liner, but the grand size that they have would be. But if you're someone who likes to wear minimal eyeshadow with false lashes, or even no eyeshadow with false lashes, I think these first 3 sets would be super cute. That's the To The Point, the Modest, and the Petite. If you're someone who likes more dramatic lashes, then the grand style, which I unfortunately don't have, would definitely be more up your alley. So this just shows that you can use the quick lash adhesive with any lashes that you have. You don't have to buy new lashes to use this lash adhesive. So yay, I'm so happy that I tried these out, and I'm so happy that they're amazing, and I'm so happy that I feel good today, and I just feel happy. So I hope you guys feel happy too, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section what you think, and if you have any questions at all, I'll leave it linked in the description box. And I also have a discount code that I believe is still valid with the Quick Flick. It is just Quick Hannah. If you enter that at checkout, it'll save you some dosh. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys in the comments and in my next video. Bye.